Introduction to Harvey's Assistant feature. Harvey's Assistant is designed to tackle open-ended questions about specific documents and interact with agentic workflows, helping you optimize your output, not your hours. Whether you're comparing contract terms or analyzing an expert witness report, Harvey's Assistant serves as a thought partner, empowering you to take on bigger challenges. Harvey's Assistant is purpose-built for your key daily tasks, understanding documents and drafting them. You can also run workflows that correspond to common tasks, which we'll get to later. Start in the Assistant tab, whether you're after a quick answer or a full draft to fine-tune. Upload a document, select a Vault project, or select a knowledge source and ask your question to begin. Harvey will automatically detect if you asked for a draft, and if so, return a response in our draft editor. You can also choose to turn basic answers to a query into a draft by clicking Open in Editor. When uploading documents, Harvey's responses are based on the content of uploaded documents, reliable and integrated third-party data sources, and its general legal know-how. Harvey also connects directly to key legal knowledge sources, allowing lawyers to search, reference, and analyze through Assistant. Selecting a knowledge source when querying in Assistant will ensure responses are grounded in the latest relevant jurisdictional information. What you're seeing here is a list of the public data sources we currently support, including legislation, case law, and other regulatory content. Start by selecting a knowledge source from the Suggestions or the Files and Sources menu. Within certain sources, you can make additional content selections to refine the output and tailor it to what you're looking for. Then, enter your query, and Harvey will generate an answer based on the sources you've selected. Uploaded documents and knowledge sources help ground Harvey's responses, reducing the risk of hallucinations. If you ask an open-ended query without documents, Harvey will intelligently nudge you to upload relevant documents. Still, it's best to ensure you're working with source material to generate accurate, high-quality outputs. Citations are provided to allow users to double-check the work, ensuring accuracy and further minimizing any potential errors. Harvey may not always provide a definitive citation if multiple sources are equally valid, or if there are too many relevant sources. Additionally, if Harvey infers a more general concept from the document or the law, a specific citation may not be available. It's important to note that Harvey performs best with specific prompts. The more detailed your instructions, the more precise the output. Think of it like working with a junior colleague who thrives on clear directions and additional context to deliver top-notch results. While we encourage all users to strengthen prompting techniques, selecting the Improve Prompt button within Assistant will refine your query for you, producing clearer prompts and higher quality results with no additional effort. We'll now next discuss agentic workflows in Assistant. Like we heard at the beginning, Assistant workflows allow you to produce expert quality work product aligned to specific tasks in just a few clicks. These workflows are agentic in nature, meaning they proactively ask users for necessary context to accomplish the task at hand, eliminating the need for you to prompt Harvey. They are personalized to your practice area, guide you through every step, show their work along the way, and ultimately produce an even higher quality output out of the box. Let's look at an example workflow. For instance, you might want to draft a client alert in the style of your firm or organization. To do so, click on the Draft a Client Alert Workflow button and follow Harvey's instructions. Harvey will ask you to upload the information source that will be the topic of the client alert. Afterward, it will give you the option to upload a prior client alert that you'd like Harvey to use as an example so it can match its structure, style, or tone. If you'd prefer to not provide an exemplar, you have the option to continue without doing so. Harvey will begin drafting the client alert based on what's been provided. Once the workflow has generated its output, you can view a preview of it here in its thread view. Within this view, you can check Harvey's work and review all citations. If you click into the draft, you have the ability to perform revisions depending on the type of output Harvey has provided. Lastly, you have the ability to share with colleagues inside of your Harvey workspace via link or outside of your workspace via export. The best way to experience the full power of Assistant is by using it. We encourage you to explore creatively and see how it can enhance your practice. And if you ever need a quick refresher, head to the Tips menu in the top right corner, where you'll find helpful reminders on key features and best practices. This overview is just the beginning. We encourage you to continue exploring the features that